guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I wanted to show you guys some home decor that I bought. Here's the thing though, I bought all of this stuff. Well, it's not a lot of things, but I bought these things before everything happened, everything that's happening, before the stores were closed and everything, because it was gonna be spring and I want to redecorate, and I started buying stuff and I didn't get to finish. So I've been having all these things in my house, in a room, because I wanted to show you guys before putting everything up. But my idea at first was I'm gonna buy more stuff, you know, so I wanted to have more things to show you guys, but I didn't get to do that. So I was like, I really want to use my things, but I wanted to show you guys first. So I decided, you know what, let me just show it to them, so then I can do a mini decorate with me, because it's not a lot of things. It's just like mainly things for the kitchen. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got are these beautiful flowers that I got from, where was this from? This was from Home Goods, and I got this one because I want to see how it's gonna look like in the middle of my island. If you guys seen my video, you guys saw that we DIY'd an island, and you go watch the video if you haven't seen it, because it came out really amazing. So I got this for there, and I think it's gonna look really pretty, and I was like, I want to show them already so I can just put it up, you know, because I've been having it for a really long time and it's so pretty. So yeah, I got this from Home Goods and it was $16.99, and I think it's so pretty. And not only for the kitchen, like I can literally move this around anywhere in the house because they're just so neutral and so pretty. So yeah, this is the first thing I got. Okay, also, since I'm already showing you guys flowers, I got this little bouquet from, I think these were from Michael's, I believe. I think I got this from Michael's, and it was like 50 or 60% off or something like that. And I got it because I got another one. I also got this one. Same thing from Michael's, and they were really cheap. So I got this too because I like to do my own flower bouquets or whatever they're called, because I have a lot of bases. So I like to just buy simple, plain, by itself flowers so I can make them myself, because I always like to be changing things around, and buying just flowers, like a base with flowers, they're really expensive. So sometimes it's cheaper to just do it yourself. So I really like these ones. These ones are white and these ones are like a peachy color, which I thought would be perfect for spring. So that's what I got these ones for. These ones were $9.99, but they were like 50 or 60% off, I believe. Okay, so since I'm already showing you guys flowers, I got this little greenery, I don't know what it's called. This one was from Home Goods too, and it was, oh no, actually this was from TJ Maxx. This was from TJ Maxx, and it was $6.99, and I got this one to go in the kitchen because, wait a minute, I got this little cake stand that I want to put in the kitchen where I wash the dishes, and like right next to the sink, so I can put my soap and my sponge right there. So I got the little flowers so it can go right there, and then my soap, because it's gonna look really pretty, and I'm so excited to use it. This one was from Home Goods and it was $7.99, so it was really cheap. And I also got the soap dispenser. Is that what it's called? I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's like a pinkish color, because I want to start adding like a really light pink to the kitchen. So I got this one, which is gonna go here too, and this is where I'm gonna put my dish soap. So this is gonna go here, and then my little greenery is gonna go right here, and this is gonna go right next to the sink. I dropped it. So yeah, that's why I just wanted to show you guys so I can put it up, because I've been having it in my head and I just haven't done it, because I wanted to show you guys first. So these are the things. And then I also got, so I got this little sponge, and it came separate, it didn't come together, but I've seen this like little sponges with a little thing to put the soap, and I really wanted one. So I found this, and I found this, and I was like, perfect, you know. This was from Home Goods, and I already took the tag off, but I think it was like $3, the little brush. And then this one was from Home Goods too, and this was like $1, I think. It was really cheap. So I'm gonna put some water with soap in there, and then I'm gonna have my little brush so I can scrub things, and it can look so cute. And it can even go here too. I don't know if it fits, but it'll look really cute right here too. So I'm excited to use this so I can wash my sink with it, you know. And then what else did I get? Okay, like I said, it's not a lot of stuff, but I really wanted to show you guys. So yeah, the next thing I got is this cutting board for the kitchen, because I have an idea of something that I want to do in the kitchen. And like, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it like on Pinterest and stuff like that, like cutting boards like against each other. So I got this one because I really like the color, like the wood color, because I have a lot of wood in my kitchen. So I got this one, and then I also got this one because I have white too. So I got this one because I want them to like go together, something like this. But I needed more, and I didn't have time to go buy more because they closed all the stores. So now I'm gonna have to wait till life is back to normal so I can finish doing what I started. But this one was from TJ Maxx, and this one was $14.99, and it's really pretty. And then this one was from Ross, and it was $5.99. So it's really pretty. It's like a marble, and it has a little bit of gold. It has the letter A, and our last name is Arambula, so I was like, it goes perfect. So this is gonna go in the kitchen, and also this, and I think it's gonna go something like this. I don't know, I'm not sure, we'll see. Okay, so the last thing that I got is not for the kitchen, it's for the living room, but oh well. I saw it and I really liked it, and I had to buy it. It's this beautiful pillow, and the best part is that it has a zipper so I can wash it. You guys know I get all my pillows with the zipper so I can wash it, and I actually didn't have one that was shaped like this. So I saw it and I really liked it. Like, it's so freaking pretty, and I'm gonna use it in my living room already. So yeah guys, this is the last thing I got. I told you guys it's not a lot of stuff, but I really wanted to show you guys. So this is probably gonna be a super short video, but I hope you guys like it. And then after this, I'm finally gonna be able to like put everything up and see how it looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this really short home decor haul that I really wanted to do for you guys. It was supposed to be bigger, but I didn't get to do it. And I'm not really an online shopping person. I rather buy things in person, you know. So I'm not really buying anything online. I'm just gonna wait until all the stores open again so I can go crazy and buy more home decor, because I really want to, and you know, it's been a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.